Here comes the crochet tutorial for grandmother's gloves. Your favorite colors. The short style is comfortable and warm. The wrist part can be lengthened further. For more warmth, let's crochet together with the tutorial. Use a 3.5 crochet needle to start in a ring. Hook the needle and bring the thread over to chain 1 stitch, then continue to stand up 2 chain stitches as a double crochet stitch. For beginners, make a marker. Then with the hook, and pass the hook through. Bring the thread over and back 2 stitches. This is the second double crochet stitch, and hook another one. 3 double crochet stitches. Finish, then chain 2 stitches. This is a set of pattern. Then hook the second group. First, hook 3 double crochet stitches. Then chain 2 stitches. The second group is done. Everyone make 2 more sets. 4 groups are done. Tighten the loop. Then use the marker to pull through. Then cut the thread and change the thread. Crochet the second round. Work in the 4 holes. First, crochet in the first hole. Bring the thread through and chain 2 stitches. 3 stitches. For beginners, also add the 3rd chain stitch here. Then we crochet 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 2 stitches. 3 double crochet stitches. So the pattern in this hole is 3 double crochet stitches, 2 double crochets and 3 double crochet stitches. Everyone finish the remaining 3 sets of patterns. Finish the same way. Cut the thread. The second round is done. Change thread for the 3rd round. Let's start with the first group of patterns. Pass the thread through 3 stitches, counting it as a double crochet stitch. Then crochet 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 2 stitches, and crochet 3 double crochet stitches. The pattern in this corner. Look at the pattern of the corner. It's the same. After hooking, between these 2 holes, there is a small hole, and crochet 3 double crochet stitches here. This is a set of patterns, 1 corner and 1 hole. You can crochet the remaining 3 sets by yourself. Continue to change thread. First, the pattern in the hole is the same as the previous one. You can finish it after hooking the pattern in the hole. From this corner, there are 2 holes between this corner. So in these 2 places, we need to crochet 3 double crochet stitches. This is a set of patterns, 3 groups in total. You can finish this round by yourself. Chain 1 stitch. We crochet a round of single crochet stitches around, in the stitch we just put through. When we reach this corner, we'll crochet 3 single crochet stitches inside. And follow the order of 1 stitch to 1 stitch to complete this round. You can cut the thread. Back to back, we'll sew these 2 sides first. Take out the marker. We crocheted 3 single crochet stitches at the corner to make a marker. Then find this side. 3 single crochet stitches, and make a mark in the middle. The other side is the same. If we make a mark here, we pick out the half stitch of the 3rd single crochet stitch and pass it through the stitch of the marker. Then we need to match each needle. We'll sew it. The stitch where we made the marker button. After sewing this side. When we sew this side, we'll sew 5 stitches first. After 5 stitches, leave 8 stitches empty. Then sew the remaining stitches. Leave this place out, to make the sum part. We start to crochet the sum part. We leave 8 stitches empty here, so we'll crochet 8 double crochet stitches correspondingly. Chain 2 stitches on the thread. These 2 stitches are not double crochet stitches. We'll crochet another double crochet stitch. After 8 stitches, between these 2 stitches, we'll crochet a double crochet stitch between them. Okay, then we start to crochet the 8 stitches on this side. If you can't find them clearly, you can mark it. Make a mark. Then in the middle, we'll crochet another double crochet stitch in the middle. This way, the first round of the sum is completed. Next, we'll crochet the second round. Chain 2 stitches. We first hook an outer double crochet stitch. Pick up the pillar of the first double crochet stitch. Then bring the thread over to make a double crochet stitch. This is an outer hook double crochet stitch. The inner hook double crochet stitch is from inside to outside. And then inward. Pick up the second double crochet stitch's mountain. Then bring the thread over to make a double crochet stitch. This round is an outer hook double crochet stitch and an inner double crochet stitch. Alternating, the sum part is finished. Next, we start to crochet the wrist part. Let's find the needle. The starting stitch is in the middle of 3 single crochet stitches. This stitch is the needle entry. Then hook 1 stitch to 1 stitch and hook to this side. In the middle part of the 3 single crochet stitches, the position where we insert the needle is also in the middle of the 3 single crochet stitches. Finally, the insertion position shown here is in the middle of 3 single crochet stitches. Start with 2 chain stitches, then hook a double crochet stitch. 2 rows of double crochet stitches without 增减. After hooking, we start to hook the outer double crochet stitches. Look at the alternate crochet method of inner double crochet stitches. I knitted a total of 3 rows. You can decide according to your desired length to decide how many rows to crochet. This is enough. And this part is the same. We crochet a round of double crochet stitches first, then crochet a round of plain stitches. This is the glove part. It's completed. This glove is done.